Check. Welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Medieval Dynasty game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the store page. Now from this page, just click on the search box at the top right corner and then type in Medieval Dynasty and start your search. Once you find the game, just click on it and this will take you into the game's page, where you can check the trailer as well as the reviews. Now scroll down and you will see the various different bundles as well as versions of the game that you can buy. Click on the Add to Cart button alongside the version that you prefer, and now you can click on View My Cart to proceed to finalization. From here, click on Continue to Payment, and now you can choose your payment method from the Payment Methods drop-down page. Just click on whichever you prefer and then click on Continue to log in using your credentials. Once you have verified your payment by logging in, then this game will then be added to your library, from which you can begin your installation with just a few clicks. And once the installation is completed, you can start enjoying your game from your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Medieval Dynasty game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.